Are your Salesforce emails landing in spam? Learn how to create DKIM keys in under 3 minutes. We'll walk through the 11 steps to generate your DKIM keys, from accessing setup to saving the key. First, click the gear icon in the top right to open Quick Settings. Then, from that menu, select Open Advanced Setup. In the Quick Find box at the top, type DKIM. Now, click on DKIM keys from the search results. On the DKIM keys page, click the Create a New Key button. Choose a key size. 1024 or 2048 bits is typical. Then type in a selector like Google or DKIM1. Next, type an alternate selector, often the same or a variation. Finally, enter your domain, for example, example.com. Notice the domain match pattern gets filled in automatically. Once everything looks good, click Save to create the key. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.